Hello all. We are going to view dashboard menu. In summary section, security mode status, how many lights are open, how many blinds are open, and average temperature, humidity, and carbon dioxide values of advanced thermostat accessories can be monitored. Widget section is a shortcut for weather forecast, favorite scenes, favorite devices, intercom shortcuts, and security panel. The menu section consists of the dashboard, devices, intercom, security panel, scenes, automation, concierge, and settings. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.